Here is the spike trading system. Look, here is the signal. Open a trade, waiting for a spike. Okay guys, look here. Here is a spike. So this is the power system. If you will losing in boom and crash, you tired of blowing your accounts, give a try to our spike trading system. This is a very unique, very powerful strategy based system. You just need to follow the arrow. The arrow will help you to understand the market easily. Once the arrow appears, you need to open a trade with any lot size according to your capital. Once your account double, go for more lot size increase. How actually the system works? System will give you a signal. I will show in this video how actually the system works. You need to wait for trade zones. Once the market come in trade zone and the signal appear, this means there will be a spike. Stop loss all will be 3 candles. If there is no spike, you need to close your trade after 3 candles. So now guys, let me show you we made good money on other signals also. So after milking this index, let's move on another index and show you the history. Look here, a signal within 3 candles we made profit. Let me lock the profit. Okay boys, stop loss is trailed. Now we are waiting for market. Maybe there's more multiple spikes. Look here, one more sniper trade on boom index. In market he's giving us good spikes. So let's move on next index and show you the live signal. Look here guys, the crash index 300, and we are waiting for the market to reach in trade zone. Now look here, the red circle area, the arrow is appeared. Now we are waiting for spike. The trade is opened and we are entered with 5 standard lots holding this trade on crash 300, and see the power of this system, how actually the system works, and what kind of tool is this, what type of power and what type of strategy included in this. Look here, the first spike just dropped and we are in profit. Now waiting for maybe there is more spikes. So holding this, look here guys, a big spike, a big one. Thanks, the market give us good profit on crash 300 with 5 standard lot. Look here guys, a big one, a big one. Thanks a lot of the market, really happy to have this big spike. Also pursue this signal in our VIP group. People also making profit. If you want to get, check the description, chat with us. Thanks for watching.